Yo, dear viewers, yo, dear subscribers, yo, dear audience, friends, family, and everyone stay tuned to my channel. How are you all doing? I am doing well. I am blessed. I am doing great. I hope you are doing the same. I hope you're feeling blessing on your life. I'm so glad to see you all. And today we are going to talk about social media and video games, the mistake we are doing, and how to fix those mistakes. And let's go. I am Richmond Overcomer. Welcome to my channel. And first mistake we are doing is gossip. How much more have you gossip about someone on social media? And how much more have you also hear about gossip on social media or read about it? And what people are doing with their private life. Honestly speaking, I've also done that mistake about private life, and I know some of you have also done it. And if you are the one who are saying, "Yo, rich man, I'm not that person who will do such things. Never in my life on social media. My social media is clean. I cannot do such things. I didn't even try to delete. There's nothing wrong with it. Drop me one of these. I respect you a lot, and I respect all of you using social media, but that's a mistake we must fix. Uh, Trying to gossip about people's life, like Sheila is drinking with someone else. Sheila is cheating with how many guys? Sheila is, and you are keeping on going even to their private life, what they are doing in their bedroom, or either it can be a private life. Like for example, you know what's the problem in your private life. Now you are trying to tell everybody what the problem is in your private life in public, and that's also uh, one of the mistake I'm talking about. Mistake number one. So how can we do it? How can we fix it? Instead of talking about people's life, or either your private life, or either the problems in your private life, if you have problem with that, then take a pen and paper, write it down, and then figure out what you want. Talk to your loved one in private, and there are other ways to do it in private way, including your diary. Then you can kill that and move on. No need to post private things on social media. The things that has been done privately that nobody else wants to know about, or even if they do, just take a pen and paper and write it down. Then you are through with it. And then um, let's go to the number two mistake on social media: pictures. If you spend time viewing pictures on people's profile page, if you waste time viewing how Sheila is posting her pictures, how Sheila is posting her angles, every part of her body angle, how Sheila is shining. If you scroll down on people's profile pictures, how John is wearing his hat, and how he's standing while he's having a new haircut, and so on. Instead of you coming up with a brand and saying, guys, I see this brand somewhere, now this is how we can go about it. We can also do the same, post that idea on social media, and that's how we must fix it. I've already give away how to fix it number two, so yeah, let's just keep on going. And then with how to fix problem number one is like they're the same with number two. That doesn't matter. Or if you want to entertain social media, there's nothing wrong with it. Just post something that everybody will love to and everybody will enjoy, but not uh, dealing with people's private life or how people are fighting or so on. Post something that are creative, people will enjoy, people will see, wow, this is amazing. Something creative, something that can attract people's mind and let people know how can I also do the same like he has done. That's what we are supposed to do, to motivate people so they can do the same, not to let people uh, see how amazing you are and how you are well dressed and so on. Instead, give people ideas on social media, and that's number one problem we must fix. Let's go over. Before we go over, let me also add something to number two. And number two is about, if you don't have a brand, find out about how Peter has come up with his new invention, or how John has come up with his new business, and how to consult him or how to go about the same business they are doing, how to dig up information on Google and YouTube. There are so many sources you can use to dig up information. And yeah, now let's go over to video games. The video games are not to be addictive, they are to boost your self-esteem. Whether you are having a bad day and you want some break, it must boost your self-esteem and also give you ideas. So once the idea comes, you can switch off the game and start doing that idea. Now, if you are playing the video game because you're addictive to it, or just because you are bored, then it's not really needed. Video game is supposed to be dealing with your emotions, like you're having a bad day, or you you run out of ideas, or you are frustrated. Is meant to calm you down. It's meant to motivate you so you can, after playing a game, switch it off and go back to your normal thing. How to fix what has frustrated you. With those words, stay blessed and stay tuned for more. I'm going to talk about more things about this topic, how we are wasting time and how to fix it. Subscribe, share, and let others also hear the messages in previous videos, and subscribe for more, because you don't want them to miss out. Let them subscribe like you did so they can also tune in like you do now. Stay blessed and stay tuned for more upcoming latest videos. Exciting.